Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called AttackFiles. AttackFiles is the ransomware that is able to indeed attack files and encrypt the files. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I'll give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and then damages the data considerably. So very soon you will see the results of the ransomware's attack. You'll see that indeed the files have been damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. And of course that's a really bad thing to experience, to realize that your files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware is called like that, AttackFiles, because it actually encrypts files and appends this AttackFiles extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the files anymore. And the ransomware also reveals a special ransom note titled as How to Back Files. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but of course paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus applications such as Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on this start scan button and then the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect the data. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner and to understand how it works. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.